Today, we are going to talk about the raw materials from which red brick, fly ash brick, and AAC brick are made. We will also talk about advantages and disadvantages of these bricks. This video is very important, so save it for future. First of all, we will talk about making of red brick. So it is made up from the composition of clay, lime, iron oxide, and magnesium. The advantage of using red brick is that they are quite durable and can withstand a wide range of weather conditions. They are resistant to fire and do not corrode over time. But its disadvantage is that the production of red bricks involves firing clay at high temperatures, which consumes a significant amount of energy and contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Talking about the fly ash bricks, it is made up of fly ash, cement, sand, lime, and gypsum will be used. If you are liking this video, don't forget to subscribe. Fly ash bricks are made using industrial waste fly ash, which reduces the demand for clay and conserves natural resources. They have good thermal insulation properties, helping to keep indoor temperatures stable, but the compressive strength of fly ash bricks can vary. This can lead to inconsistencies in construction quality. Fly ash bricks tend to have higher water absorption rates, which may lead to moisture-related issues. If we talk about making of the AAC brick, AAC means autoclaved aerated concrete. It is made up of cement, sand, lime, gypsum, and aeration agent. Aeration agent is very important due to which they are light, large in size, and sometimes ash is also added to it. AAC bricks have excellent thermal insulation properties, which can lead to energy savings in both heating and cooling of buildings, but AAC bricks have more initial cost compared to red or fly ash bricks, due to the specialized manufacturing process and materials used. AAC bricks are strong under compressive loads, but they can break easily if something hits them hard or if they get bent too much. Hope this will help in your future. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.